Do you ever feel upset when someone says something mean? Today, we will learn a great English idiom, brush it off. Understanding this idiom will help you stay calm and positive. It is a very common phrase in daily English conversations. Once my friend Ken was at a party. Someone told him his shirt was a bit messy. Ken's boss said, "Just brush it off." Ken looked confused. He started hitting his shoulder with his hand, trying to find some dust. Everyone laughed. Ken thought his boss meant there was literal dirt on his shirt. He was literally brushing his clothes. So, what does it really mean? Brush it off means to ignore something that could make you feel bad or angry. It is a figurative way to say, don't let it bother you. Just like brushing a tiny bit of dust off your sleeve. Now let's see it used correctly. Imagine Sarah is giving a speech and she makes a small mistake. She feels embarrassed. Her friend whispers, "It's okay, Sarah, just brush it off and keep going." Sarah takes a deep breath and smiles. Sarah ignores the mistake and finishes her speech perfectly. She didn't let the tiny error stop her. Here is an example. He failed the test, but he decided to brush it off and study harder. This means he didn't stay sad. Another one. Don't worry about her rude comment. Just brush it off. This means you should ignore the mean words. And the athlete fell down, but she brushed it off and finished the race. She kept going despite the fall. To remember this, think of your shoulder. When someone says something mean, imagine it is just a piece of lint. Use your hand to sweep the lint away. Say to yourself, brush it off. It's gone, and you are fine. Did you know this idiom comes from the physical act of brushing dust away? It shows we value being strong and resilient. In movies, you often see heroes brush off a big explosion or a fight. It shows they are not hurt or scared. Over time, it has become a very popular way to talk about mental strength and emotional health in many cultures. Similar phrases include, let it go, or don't sweat the small stuff. They all mean, don't worry too much. Opposites are, take it to heart, or dwell on it. These mean you stay upset for a long time about a problem. Related phrases are thick-skinned or roll with the punches. These describe being a person who can brush things off easily. A common mistake is saying, brush off it. Remember, the word it always goes in the middle, brush it off. Don't use it for very serious things like a car accident. It is for small annoyances or minor insults. Time for a quiz. What does brush it off mean? A, to clean your clothes. B, to ignore something bothering you. Or C, to paint a wall. The correct answer is B. Great job if you got it right. It means to stay positive and move on with your day. We learned that brush it off helps us stay happy. Tell us in the comments, what was a time you had to brush something off? If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe, or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.